Hey there, food lovers and tech enthusiasts. Get ready to take a bite out of the future as we explore the mind-blowing world of 3D printed meals and lab-grown meat. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a culinary adventure that'll make your taste buds do a double take. Let's kick things off with sustainable food tech. Picture this. You're hungry, but instead of reaching for a frozen dinner or calling for takeout, you simply fire up your 3D food printer. Yeah, you heard that right, a food printer. With the push of a button, you can create a perfectly balanced meal tailored to your exact nutritional needs. It's like having a personal chef, but way cooler and probably less judgmental about your midnight snacking habits. These 3D printed meals aren't just some far-off sci-fi dream, they're already becoming a reality, with companies developing printers that can whip up everything from pizza to chocolate sculptures. And the best part? This tech could be a game changer for reducing food waste and creating sustainable food solutions for a growing global population. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about the juicy world of lab-grown meat. No, we're not talking about some weird science experiment gone wrong. This is the real deal. Actual meat grown from animal cells, without the need for raising and slaughtering livestock. It's like magic, but with more petri dishes and less top hats. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat or clean meat, could revolutionize the way we think about protein. Imagine sinking your teeth into a delicious burger that's identical to the real thing, but with a fraction of the environmental impact. We're talking less water usage, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, and no need for vast tracts of land to raise animals. It's a win-win for meat lovers and Mother Earth alike. Now, I know what you're thinking, but does it taste like the real thing? Well, folks, early taste tests have been promising, with many people unable to tell the difference between lab-grown and conventional meat. As the technology improves, we might soon be grilling up lab-grown steaks that are even juicier and more flavorful than their farm-raised counterparts. But sustainable food tech isn't just about replicating what we already have, it's also about creating entirely new food experiences. Enter the world of biotech nutrition, where science meets sustenance in ways that'll blow your mind faster than a microwave burrito. Imagine foods engineered to contain supercharged nutrients, designed to boost your immune system, improve your cognitive function, or even help you live longer. We're talking about fruits and vegetables packed with more vitamins than you can shake a multivitamin bottle at. Ingrains that could make gluten intolerance a thing of the past. Scientists are even working on developing foods that can adapt to your individual genetic makeup. That's right, personalized nutrition tailored to your DNA. It's like having a diet plan created by a team of nutritionists and fortune tellers, minus the crystal ball and weird incense smell. But the future of food isn't just confined to our little blue planet. As we set our sights on the stars, we've got to think about how we're going to feed astronauts on long-term space missions. Enter space diets, the final frontier of food tech. NASA and other space agencies have been working on developing foods that can withstand the rigors of space travel while still providing all the necessary nutrients for astronauts. We're talking about foods that can last for years without refrigeration, withstand extreme temperatures, and still taste good enough to keep crew morale high. One of the coolest developments in space food tech is the idea of growing crops in space. Imagine hydroponic gardens on the International Space Station, or even on Mars, producing fresh fruits and vegetables for astronauts. It's like The Martian, but with less potato farming and more high-tech space greenhouses. And here's where things get really wild. Some scientists are even exploring the possibility of using 3D printing technology to create food in space. Picture an astronaut on a mission to Mars, printing out a pizza made from shelf-stable ingredients. It's like ordering delivery, but instead of tipping the driver, you're dodging asteroids. As we wrap up our journey through the food of the future, it's clear that we're on the brink of a culinary revolution. From 3D printed meals that can be customized to our exact nutritional needs, to lab-grown meat that could help save the planet, to space foods that could fuel our exploration of the cosmos. The future of food is looking tastier and more exciting than ever. But here's the thing, folks. This isn't just about cool tech or futuristic gadgets. It's about finding sustainable solutions to feed a growing global population, reducing our environmental impact, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in nutrition and food science. So, the next time you sit down for a meal, take a moment to appreciate the food on your plate, because who knows, in a few years, that steak might have been grown in a lab, those veggies might be packed with designer nutrients, and that dessert might have been printed to your exact specifications. The future of food is here, and it's looking delicious. So, are you ready to take a bite? Because trust me, folks, this is one food revolution you won't want to miss. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a date with a 3D food printer and a dream of the perfect pizza. Until next time, keep eating, keep exploring, and keep looking to the future. It's going to be tasty.